Hello everybody, this is Dr. French. I'm here to give you some additional information about what that snap, crackle, and pop noise actually is. It's a very confusing thing that takes place. I'm just going to explain this in under a minute hopefully, so I can save you time as well as not searching the web for other things. Typically when you go under a chiropractic care, if a chiropractor is producing an adjustment procedure where it actually is usually done with the hands, sometimes you'll hear a popping noise, very similar to when people pop their knuckles and you hear that click noise. What that actually is just a gas exchange that takes place between the internal environment and the external environment of the joint. It's not the bones rubbing together, it's not the ligaments, it's not the tendons. Typically in those situations it's a gas exchange, and clinically it's really insignificant, doesn't have a lot of meaning. Doesn't mean if you didn't hear that noise during an adjustment that you did not receive a chiropractic adjustment to better the health of the body. Once again, this is your one quick tip. If you have any questions, please call the office at 919-596-2900. Have a great day.